So guys, today is the day we are putting the exhaust on the Supra, but first we have to get to the garage. After today, this car is gonna sound so much better. Look guys, I just put these lights in here. They're pretty crazy. Even got them up in this like headliner on both sides. It's not the star lights like typical people do, but it's okay. I really like them. And they change colors. This windshield, like I swear, okay, so I haven't washed this car since I bought it, which is like kind of sad. But because it's been 4 months, but this windshield is absolutely disgusting. And I swear once I get this exhaust on, I'm gonna wash the car, I promise. And I'm gonna take some rollers, get some videos. It's gonna be awesome, but it just sucks during pollen season. So we got Dalton beside us. Bro does not want to talk to us, but it's okay, because we're about to gap him. All right, go on green. It was really close, actually. Man, I can't even speed because my registration's expired. So we got Kevin in front of me. He decided to pass me. I let him pass me, not because his car is faster, but because I just didn't want to break the law. That was the whole reason.
Don't smile like that. You look like Pennywise.
So we had to make a little pit stop, which is sad because it's only like a 10-minute drive. Well, it's like a 30-minute drive. But had to get some Red Bull. What are we thinking? Sugar-free? Bag secured. What'd you get?
Starbucks double shot energy drink. Sponsor me.
And I think we are now ready to put on the exhaust. So we have made it to the garage. This is where we're gonna be putting on the exhaust. And I guess I might as well show you all the exhaust real quick. This is the garage, and this is my brand new Valvetronic exhaust. I got it for a very steep discount. I'm not gonna tell you how much because that is private information, but this is it. It's pretty crazy. This is the main part that makes it interesting. These are Valvetronic valves, which are vacuum sealed through that vacuum pump that's way over there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really sure how to put it on, but we are going to figure that out eventually. My estimate for this project is gonna take 2 hours. Let's see what everybody else thinks.
Probably 2 hours since y'all watched YouTube on how to do this.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
2 days.
2 days? Oh no.
2 days.
Kevin, what are we thinking, time-wise?
Realistically, 3 hours.
3 hours? Dalton?
Like 4 or 5.
Oh my.
Wait, it seems like a lot. I'm thinking 4.
4.
Because mine was 2 hours with the exhaust.
If we don't leave here till midnight, I'm gonna be pissed. The Supra's wheelbase is always a big pain when trying to put it on the lift because the wheelbase is so small where these do not clear the underside. So we might have to put it on a ramp, but I'm not sure yet. The car does not fit properly on the lift, so we have to get the jack it up on this side, try to get that one on, and then maybe get this one on. It's always the hardest part when trying to work on a Supra. Moment of truth, we're putting it on the lift. If it drops, I'm gonna cry.
I don't think it's gonna fall. I think we're good.
Oh, you think so?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
It's going all the way up.
Well, that's good. I just found out that my underglow has just had a piece ripped off. There used to be one right here, actually, that ran across. But I guess when I was driving, one of these cords, like this one, was dangling and fully ripped it out. So I had to throw it away. So now that we have it on the lift, here's the plan. Unfortunately, I drove it a little hard on the way over here. So this is like stupid hot and we can't really touch it, but we can do a few things first. First things first, we have to remove this strut bar. And then once everything's cold, we can remove the pipes, get it down, and I guess start on the new exhaust. Not super mechanically inclined, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna get it down. Or once that's done, then I think we can take off the old exhaust. There we go. Look at that, I took a piece off my car.
Andrew, you messed up your wheels really bad.
I didn't mess up the wheels at all.
You need to take accountability.
That was the previous owner, I swear. Fun fact, this was actually the first time I've ever done mechanical work on my car. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little harder than I expected, but it was fun. At least until we ran into this issue. Ready? Yes. I'm I'm not sure if we can slide this out.
Gotta pop it out.
You might break the cat doing that.
In case you couldn't tell, the exhaust did not want to come off. And we didn't know this at the time, but the reason that it didn't want to come off is because somebody decided to weld the exhaust to the downpipe, so it just wouldn't disconnect.
This is not going as easily as expected.
There was a bolt.
What did the tutorial say with this part?
They did it.
Man, all you
They
gotta
just said,
do is
take it
do
off.
it. We couldn't figure it out, so we left it to the child.
Child labor.
Car stuff is never as easy as you would expect it to. Right now, the 14-year-old has an angle grinder. So we're gonna be grinding it off.
Bro, what? I'm being hit at with 4 cameras.
How many people does it take to change an exhaust?
A lot.
Alright, I think it's free.
Oh, that thing is not free.
It's not great.
We have it.
Oh, wait, that worked.
Yay! We finally got it off. We are kind of halfway through, maybe a third of the way through. That should have been the easy part. Yeah. No. All right, we are gonna lower the car and start it without the exhaust on.
That was kind of underwhelming.
Still a cat on.
Mine would have been.
Cut the cat off and then do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we think? W? Let me know in the comment section. Is that cute?
Oh yeah,
It's so cute.
very handsome.
Anyways, after revving it with no exhaust on, we decided to get back to work and put the real new exhaust on. And it actually went surprisingly well. Except for this one part.
Is that differential fluid leaking?
I saw that too. I
I
didn't
know,
know.
I saw that too.
I'm not sure. No, Dawson,
They
see it?
instantly called the police.
This is all
And
like
the
fluid.
police, like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah.
It's wet. So I don't know for a fact, but I believe my differential is leaking, which is not good. At the moment, we're fine, not throwing any codes, but in the future, who knows? So I guess we'll see.
We decided to ignore that issue because honestly, I have no idea how to fix it. With that being said though, we took the old hangers off the old exhaust, put it on the new one, and we were ready to hang up the new exhaust.
Hey guys. Just hanging around.
Just cross-threaded a bolt.
Yeah.
That who?
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
It's okay, you didn't do legs, so you can do arms today.
It isn't pain, it's strain.
Yeah, just do it like right there.
I just want
So on to me right there.
I'm saying, is there no way to make that look right?
No.
No. It's definitely off.
Look, I'm not gonna lie, guesswork can only get you so far, so we did have to bring in the big guns, but eventually we got everything squared up, and I think it came out pretty good.
We just got the exhaust fully put on. We think it's in the place that we need it to be. We don't know if there's leaks yet because we haven't tried it out, and we haven't put the vacuum lines in for the actual valves. But otherwise, the exhaust is fully done. We're just putting the strut bar back on. Then I think once we put the vacuum lines in, we should be good.
Now, I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what do you think of this exhaust? I think this thing looks gorgeous, but obviously, it's up to your guys' interpretation, so let me know what you think in the comments below.
So we are about to do something that none of us really know how to do. We're gonna disconnect the battery. We're gonna try to put the vacuum lines on. Yeah, 100%.
Bet.
I don't really know what we're doing, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, we are drilling through the car.
Oh, yeah, that was easy.
That was easy. One more
Make sure you
time.
don't hit anything on the
We're
other
gonna,
side.
keep running it.
You think?
Yeah. Clean it out the hole.
Oh, you like that?
Cut.
I think I can touch it, right?
Yeah, it should be 12 volt, shouldn't it? Imagine.
You just set me up.
Boom!
Okay, now I gotta remember.
12 volt. You might get a shock. I don't think it would kill you though.
No, it wouldn't kill me.
Alright.
So guys, my camera ran out of battery, but we are on day 2 of trying to install the exhaust because we wanted to wire it to the battery and we didn't have the parts for it at that last shop.
First things first, we did get the vacuum lines put through the drain holes. We got it all set up, it looks good. Secondly, we just have to cut these to size and then wire it directly to the battery, and we should be good. And just like that, we got the box installed, we got the wires and everything all sorted out. First time ever doing electrical stuff. Honestly, Dalton did most of it. All right, now that we are officially done, we are gonna get some revs with the valves open, valves closed, and then maybe some driving clips. I will admit that it does not sound very different on camera, but it is so much quieter in person. Finally, I'd just like to say thank you very much once again to Valvetronic for helping me get this exhaust. Thank you guys very much, and if you liked the video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button.